Hello, warriors! It's so good to see you all again. Do you remember earlier in the week I posted a video with our little grill attachment and I told you that the end of this week something really, really sweet is going to happen. So, as you know, this is our prototype and it's finished, it's ready for sale. But here is the sweetness that's coming with it. So if you purchase our small biochar kiln or our medium-sized biochar kiln or even our cold rolled biochar kiln, and you are one of the first 10 from today's post to do so, you will get this grill attachment completely for free. Yes, I'm not joking. Again, if you purchase the small, the medium, or the cold rolled steel kiln from today's launch date and you are the first 10, you will get our attachment completely for free. That is how much we believe in our product. So let's bring you guys a little bit closer to see this guy up close and to see what it is and what it has and all the things that come with it. And yes, it fits both on the small kiln and on the big kiln. And I'm going to show you. Yes, I know I can see my face is super, super red. That reason being is that it is summer at the moment. It is so hot out here. And also, I'm not a very small girly. So the heat affects me. As you can see, my face is extremely red and even broken out. But bear with me. Here we go. As you can see, it is at the moment connected to our smaller size kiln. So I'm going to lift it up for you all to see what's happening. So we have firstly our stand. The stand is made with really thick cold rolled steel. You can see it fits in here onto the chimney perfectly. It's not easy for it to move around, right? Then we have this additional attachment. There we go. This is for you to put your pot on or kettle or whatever it is that you want to heat up or burn. Then we have two sizes of the grids used for cooking meat or whatever it is that you feel you want to cook. Here we have the smaller size one, and the smaller one fits into it. There we go. Now it's into it, and it doesn't move. So that's the smaller size one. It is good for when you're cooking not a lot of things and you are maybe using the smaller kiln. This one is better for that. Then I have the bigger one. Here we go. The bigger size one also fits perfectly. It is very snug. It doesn't move. Right there we can see it. Yep. It fits absolutely perfectly onto it. Right? So those are the two attachments that come with it. Now, let's move over to the medium-sized kiln because I know a lot of people are like, but it fits the smaller one. Is it going to fit the medium-sized one and even the cold rolled steel one? So let me tell you about our medium-sized kiln. Let's have a look at her. There she is in all her glory. You can see she or it is much bigger than the smaller one, right? The cold rolled steel one is the same size as the medium stainless steel one. The only thing that makes a difference is the material used. So the cold rolled steel one, the steel or stainless steel is a little bit thicker, and also it's black in color. So it is more heat resistant, or it keeps the heat inside. So let's move the grill attachment onto the medium sized kiln. Here we go, y'all. So let's take it off. Let's move it. So there you can see, snug as a bug, right? It fits in there absolutely perfectly. No problem whatsoever. Right, now let's do the pot attachment and our big grill. So there goes the pot attachment. There we go. And now our bigger grill. It's the same concept as our smaller kiln. There we go. Perfect. No problems. It fits. And it looks quite snazzy, if I have to say so myself. So there we go. Now let's do our smaller one. Basically, I would say it's the same as the small kiln demonstration. There we go. It fits perfectly, no problem whatsoever. And this is what it looks like on both of our kilns. Yeah, there we go. So there we go, warriors. Our small kiln over here and our medium-sized kiln over here, they both take the attachment, and also our cold roll steel one. Remember, if you are one of the first 10 to order your kiln from today, you will get this guy absolutely free. Do remember, for our bigger kilns, the stainless steel one and the cold rolled steel kiln, at the moment we are still doing free shipping. So the price that you see on the website for the kiln, that's the price you're going to pay. No shipping and no charge for the attachment. However, the smaller one, the shipping is not free. So you'll be paying the price for the biochar kiln as well as the shipping. Though you will be getting this guy for free. So go out, get your hands on it, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, or maybe even Andrew will see you in the next video. Take care.